never before. Imagine this. You've come across a beautiful plant, but you have no idea what it is. Don't worry. Planty to the rescue. Simply snap a photo with the app. Planty's powerful image recognition software will identify the plant in seconds. It will tell you everything you need to know. But Planty doesn't stop there. It then provides you with a comprehensive care guide tailored to that specific plant. You'll learn about its light preferences. You'll discover its watering needs. Planty even tells you the best type of soil. It's like having a personal botanist at your fingertips. Planty also helps you set reminders for watering, fertilizing, and more. Never miss a care routine again with timely notifications. Share your plant journey with friends and fellow plant enthusiasts. Join a community of plant lovers and exchange tips and experiences. With Planty, your garden will thrive, and so will your love for plants. We've all been there, forgetting to water our plants. It's a common problem, especially for those of us with busy lives or who are new to gardening. It happens to the best of us. We get caught up in our daily routines and suddenly remember our plants need care. But with Planty, those days are over. This innovative app ensures you never miss a beat when it comes to plant care. The app's smart reminder system will notify you when it's time to water, fertilize, or even repot your plants. It's like having a personal gardening assistant. No more wilting leaves or neglected gardens. Your plants will thrive with the right care at the right time. And if you ever have any questions or concerns, Planty's expert advice is just a tap away. Whether you're dealing with pests or unsure about pruning, help is always available. Get access to a wealth of gardening tips and tricks. From soil health to plant nutrition, Planty covers it all. Learn from the best in the business. Planty connects you with professional gardeners and experts who share their knowledge and experience. Planty is your constant gardening companion. It's designed to make your gardening journey enjoyable and stress-free. It's there to support you every step of the way. Join a community of plant lovers and watch your garden flourish like never before. Section 4. Tackling pests and diseases with confidence. Pests and diseases are a gardener's worst nightmare. They can quickly decimate your plants. But don't despair. Planty is here to help. Simply take a photo of the affected plant. Planty's AI-powered diagnosis system will quickly identify the problem. Once the problem is identified, Planty provides you with effective solutions. Whether it's an organic remedy or a targeted treatment, you'll have the information you need to nurse your plants back to health. With Planty, you can tackle pests and diseases with confidence.